Hi, I'm Linton from Sewing Machines Plus in Adelaide, South Australia, and we're going to run through the threading of this typical GC2263D compound feed cylinder arm machine. The threading will be the same for most cylinder arm machines. We're going to the thread stand at the back, and we're coming through one eyelet at the top. We bring our threads down, and we're going to thread through our top guide once from top to bottom and again. So we're going through just two of the holes like such. Now we're going on to the tension units. We're first of all going to go through the eyelet, then over the first tension unit, making sure we pull the thread between the discs. Under the second tension unit, using two hands, making sure we pull the thread between the discs. Over the third tension unit, once again, pulling it down between the discs. Now, the last one here is not actually tension discs. It's just a slot here, so the thread lays in the slot. And we have the check spring here. So what we need to do is we need to pull on the thread until it clicks and engages the check spring. We now go behind the guide on the right. We go through our take-up lever from right to left. And back down. Behind the guide on the left. Through this slot. And then behind this tension plate on the right side, through the bottom slot. We have one eyelet here just above the needle. And we're threading our needle from left to right. Now, it's important to note in this machine, the bobbin case, and the bobbin is to the right of the needle. And so this is what we refer to as the back of the needle, because it's got its back up against the bobbin, so the right side. Now, on a sewing needle, we have what's called the scarf. The scarf is the chunk out of the needle just above the eye. The front of a needle is the long groove up the length of the needle. So we always want the scarf, the chunk out of the needle, to aim towards the bobbin to the right, and the needle will thread from left to right.